This is Ritter. I'm a musical instrument repairman in New York City. I've been doing this for over 35 years, and I'm going to show you quick fixes on your instrument, and these fixes are not permanent and they will not damage your horn in any way. I'm going to show you how to prevent cracks on your clarinet. The first thing is to never blow hot air into a cold wooden instrument. Allow the instrument to warm up to room temperature. This will stop cracks. Another reason is because rings are loose and they come off. Never put the clarinet together with a loose ring. What you do is, if you can turn it and take it off, take a white piece of paper, take a nice sharp razor blade, take the ring, place it over, and press down. Now, rip the excess off, take the razor blade, go once around, get the paper out, cut along the edge until all the paper is removed. And there. Now it's nice and tight, and I can't take it off so that this won't crack. I hope these tips will help you. If you have any questions, please phone my shop at 212-956-6174 or 212-302-5443, or visit my website at terryritter.com.